First, the powers that be. I'm trapped in your game like it's a mystery. What's your mystery? If you're a king, a ruler, what would you do, huh? Would you make a slave for $1 or $2, huh? If you're a queen, ruler, what would you be, huh? Would you trade one shackle for another and call it community, huh? Would you trade one shackle for another and call it community? Cause it's our own actions we all pay tax on. There ain't no hiding on. Judgment Day, Judgment Day, yeah. It's our own answers to the same questions we all got to face. Judgment Day, yeah. It's our own answers to the same questions we all got to face. We all got to face, yeah. We've been working through false time for running from my demons. First, the powers in me. I can't fit in a lie, ashamed to meet reality. What's your reality? Yeah. If you were king, ruler, what would you do, huh? Would you help a man make a plan to find happiness in his own truth, huh? If you were queen, ruler, what would you be, huh? Would you pave a brave path for the people to empowerment and dignity, huh? Would you pave a brave path for the people to empowerment and dignity? Cause it's our own actions we all pay tax on. There ain't no hiding on. Judgment Day, Judgment Day, yeah. It's our own answers to the same questions we all got to face. Judgment Day, yeah. It's our own answers to the same questions we all got to face. We all got to face, yeah. Cause we've been working overtime for what? We've been working overtime for love. To realize all our heart's dreams and the power of we. A liberation for all is a possibility. What's your possibility? Yeah. 'Cause it's never too late to remember one love's way. It's God's decree for all compassionate autonomy. It's never too late to remember one love's way. It's God's decree for all compassionate autonomy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. It's never too late to remember one love's way. It's God's decree for all compassionate autonomy. It's never too late to remember one love's way. It's God's decree for all compassionate autonomy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate autonomy. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. It's never too late to remember one love's way. Thank you all. We can do it. Compassionate autonomy in a compassionate economy. We're all here to take care of each other. That's the mission.